Hello my dear friends, how are you all? This is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very pretty shaker jar which is filled with flowers, greeting card, and can you see the dimension in this jar? Very pretty, just looking like it's filled with water. And also I will share how to create these prettiest quilling flowers. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking this beautiful jar die by Sequin. Few days ago I have just purchased this from the Hobbycraft store, and from long I wanted to use this die along with the matching shaker. So this is the day where I have planned something to create new project, and I am taking this jar die and my super duper cute easy cuts machine by Dress My Craft. So I'm just taking one light purple color cardstock for the card base, which measures 8 by 18 centimeters, and in the bottom I have just marked the center line and aligning my jar die exactly in the center, and I'll pass it through my die cutting machine. If you don't have this kind of die, you can just hand cut this using paper knife. Now I have taped it so that it will not move. Now I am making my die cutting sandwich and just running it through my die cutting machine. So easy and quick. So tada, the die cutting is done and the perfect design has been cut exactly in the center of the cardstock. Now matching with the dies, I have this beautiful shaker jars by Sequin again, and this is a set of 6 shaker jars. So I have taken out one from the set and it fits perfectly from this cutout section. Without any extra efforts, you can create these kind of cards in very less time. So now I am just sticking it on the card from back side, adding little glue on the edges. And I am sharing one more idea. If you don't have this kind of jar, just use acetate sheet and stick it with the card like this from front side. So in that case also you can create this kind of shaker, but for that you need to create some dimensions. Just add bit of double-sided foam tape all around the edge and then stick your acetate sheet so that it will have some space to add your shaker elements. Now I'm taking the another jar from the same set and cutting gold mirror cardstock. And you will get this beautiful border which fits perfectly from the front. So I'm just adding this jar cutout frame on front side of the card. Like this. So pretty. Then taking one yellow color cardstock which will come on the back side, and I have already drawn one light sketch of the jar. Then it's time to add some stems of the flowers. So I have just cut one green color paper strip to create stems. I have divided the stem in 2 parts. Now taking little glue on my palm, and it is the best and shortcut way to add glue on these tiny things. So one part will come on the base and the other part will go from the front of the card, so that it will look like the stem is coming from the jar. In this way I will add some more stems randomly. So I have added some 4 to 5 stems inside the card, And then it's time to fill our jar with some shaker elements. So here I have beautiful elements like some golden heart cutouts, some sequences in purple, pink and blue colors. So I'm filling my jar using these things. You can also use flower balls or glitter powder. Small elements you have, you can fill it nicely. You can also use small acrylic hearts. Now I'm just removing the liner which is already given, and I have stuck the yellow cardstock on back side. And before adding the yellow cardstock, I have also attached one blue cardstock in the bottom just to give the water look. And now it's time to connect this with white cardstock base, which measures 18 by 19 centimeters. I have just folded the card from center and creating the slimline card, and then just sticking my shaker thing on the white cardstock. Like this. Now to start with more decoration, I am adding golden mirror cardstock strips on left and right sides just to add little more shine to the card. See how gorgeous this is looking. And then I'm starting with my quilling flowers. For my first flower, I'm taking half strip of purple color and making one teardrop shape. Here I'm using 2 mm strips for my today's project, but you can also use 3 mm strips. Now I'm joining total 11 petals together and making the flower. Then for the center of the flower, I am taking half strip of yellow color in 10 mm, just folding it twice like this and making small fringes. So fringes are ready, then just rolling it using my quilling tool and making the fringe flower. Opening the fringes like this and just connecting this exactly in the center of purple flower. The pretty flower is ready. With the same method, I have prepared one more flower. Then for the next flower, I am taking half strip of dark pink color and making one tight teardrop shape. Just pinching it in the bottom, and then I am joining 4 petals together. So this is done. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more flowers with the same method. Then to make some small teeny flowers, I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil, joining 3 tight coils together and making small filler flower, and adding one teeniest purple color stone on top of this. In the same way, I have already prepared some more yellow flowers. Now to make some more fillers, I am taking here half strip of white color and making one tight coil. Similarly, we need total 4 tight coils. Then to create leaf, I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared some more light green leaves and some in dark green color leaves, and also prepared some scrolls using the same colors. If you want to learn scroll, I have given link in description box, you can check there. Now taking back my card, and the golden color is highlighting too much, so just to balance the color combination, I am adding purple color strip on top of this and leaving very little gap of golden from both the sides. So it will balance the color palette and also it will give the shine like this. Then it's time to arrange all my flowers and leaves. So first I'm roughly arranging all the patterns to see whether all designs will go nicely. And then one by one I will start adding these elements using glue. So this is done, looking very pretty flower bunch. Then just taking white color on my brush and adding some small dots on the top right corner and in the bottom left corner, just hiding my main project so that the splashes will not come over the flowers or on the jar. It will give nice shabby look. And then randomly I'm adding some pink color sequences here and there. Similarly, I have added some sequences in the bottom. And then adding the sentiment in the center of the card, that is the hello. This die is from the Dress My Craft. And a very gorgeous and beautiful shaker jar card which is filled with flowers is ready. And very quickly you can create these kind of cards with different color combinations. And you can also write the extra message inside the card. I have added blue color cardstock inside this. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.